Then the after reading and checking, right, then the third step, that is collecting, weighing the materials, right. This is the third step which is adopted by the pharmacist when he handling prescription, right. That is collection, weighing, right. In collection, when will you go for collection of material, read the labeled name of each and every stock bottle, right, 3 times, and keep it to the left hand side of balance, right. Means whenever the pharmacist for collecting go for collecting the materials which is uh, wrote on prescription by the doctor, right. First is properly read the label name of each and every stock bottle 3 times. After that, it should be keep in left hand side of the balance, right. After that, it should keep left hand side of the balance. This is the collection process, right. This is the collection process. After properly collection of required material, then the pharmacist should weighing the all required ingredient as per the amount, right, which is already given in the prescription, right. That is the weighing. Before weighing, sure it whether balance is properly working or not. Then after weighing the required material shifted to right hand side of balance. This will avoid the confusion, right. Means after collection, whenever pharmacist will go for the weighing, he must or he should be sure or check it whether the balance is are properly working or not, right. It is the actually it is the main process or main thing which is pharmacist check out properly, right. Then after properly checking out the weighing balance, then weighing will be started, right. After weighing the required material, then after completion of properly weighing of required material, then it shifted to the right hand side of balance. After properly weighing of the material, then it is necessary to shift out the all material or weighed material to the right hand side of balance. If pharmacist is doing this way, then he will not get any confusion, otherwise he will get a confusion. Okay, this is the proper way or proper handling procedure, right. After this, the last portion is for handling of prescription. This is compounding, labeling and packaging, right. That is compounding, labeling and packaging. This is the final and last process of prescription handling, right. Then in compounding, firstly collect all the required equipment, then clean and dry it. Afterward, compounding should be carried out at neat place. All the material should be taken according to the direction or pharmaceutical art, right. After properly collection, then after properly weighing, right, the then the pharmacist should go for compounding, right. The first process is in compounding, that is firstly pharmacist are properly collect the required equipment, right. Then after collection of required equipment, he should clean out the all equipments, right. Then after cleaning, it should be dried, right. Then after that, then compounding should be started. right, at a neat and clean place. That at a neat and clean place, right? It is very necessary to start a compounding in neat and clean place, because to avoid the any kind of contamination, right? Then all the material should be taken according to the direction or pharmaceutical art, right? Means after this arrangement, then pharmacy should should be taken all materials, required materials, right, or as per direction or pharmaceutical art, means as per the process of manufacturing or compounding, right? Then afterward, after compounding, the step is packaging, right? That in which the compounded medicines filled in suitable container depending on its quantity and uses, right? All the compounded medicines filled in suitable container depending on its quantity and use, right? After compounding, the pharmacist will get a compounded medicines, right? During compounding, we will compound the all kind of required kind of medicines or dosage form, right? After that, the compounded medicine fill into a suitable container, right? After that, the compounded medicine should be filled in suitable container, and the container is depend on the quantity, and the container should be used, that should be depend on required quantity and as per use, right? If pharmacist prepare a parental injections or tablet or ointments, then that kind of required container he must be used, right, for packaging. After that, there is a labeling. The packed container properly labeled with white plain paper. This label must contain all desired information. Finally, pharmacist should explain the mode of administration, direction for use, and storage at the time of delivering to the patient, right? This is a labeling step in which the properly packed or properly sealed container labeled should be labeled with a white plain paper. Means the for the during the labeling, farmers should use the white plain paper, right? And that paper should contain all kind of desired information, right? Like the name of ingredient which is used in that particular medicines, then expiry date, manufacturing date, then uses, then how it is used externally or internally, that is route of administration, right? Then MRP, that all kind of information should be included in the labeling section, right? After completion of labeling, there is a chances of appearing the fingerprint of, means during the process after filling that labeling, there is chances of fingerprint generation of fingerprint on the that particular container. That's why it is must necessary to that's why it is very necessary to clean the that particular container, right? Afterward, finally, farmers should explain the mode of administration, okay, direction for use and storage at the time of delivery. Means when after properly compounding the desired prescribed medicines, right, after properly compounding the desired medicines, then the pharmacist should deliver the medicines to the patient. During delivering the medicines to the patient, pharmacist should explain the mode of administration, means how to administer that particular dosage form, then direction for use, that is the frequency of that particular medicine should be explained by patient. And storage condition means where the that particular dosage form should be placed, right, in cool place or on which temperature, right, that all kind of storage information, then direction for use, then at route of administration should be explained by pharmacist during the delivering to the patient, right. This is the handling, this is the all kind of information regarding the handling of prescription, right. First is receiving, reading and checking, collecting and weighing the material, compounding, labeling, packaging, right. This all kind of information I took from this reference, right, that is pharmaceutics to RM Mehta, right. Means